Welcome back to today's recap of the Algo Trader for February 11th, 2022. Let's dive right into it. Beginning with the daily chart, yesterday we had noticed that on the bottom filter here, we had a kink, and I had said yesterday afternoon that if it crossed the zero line to the downside, we would have a continuation of the sell-off, possible retest of the 410 level, and that's exactly what happened today. It crossed the zero line and boom, it retests at the 410 level before actually crossing the 410 level where it sits right now. Now, of course, we had some news that exacerbated the sell-off today. We had the Ukraine, we had the convoy, we had earnings, and a bunch of other things. It was like a river of bad information that made for the perfect selling environment today. Now, as far as the algos that perform the best under this environment, we have AI algo strategy number 1 right here that caught the downside move beginning at 10:45 in the morning and didn't exit you until 1500, which is 3 p.m. in the afternoon. This one trade alone was responsible for over $6,000 in profits had you taken the trade from inception all the way to the very end. Now, it shows that it was 50% profitable. And the reason it shows that is because there was a stop loss here when it gave you the buy signal right at 1500. And so if you had two trades and one was a winner and one was a loser, what's your ratio? 50%. Okay? However, it was 100% accurate on the downside because there was only one long trade right there. So hope you guys understand how that works and how these numbers were derived. Now, in addition to this, we also had another AI algo here that actually performed relatively well as well. And this one right here, let's see, was 60% accurate with 100% of the trades to the downside being accurate. And of course, had you taken every single trade right here, it would have yielded the figure you see right here on the screen. Now, in addition to that, we also had some very interesting results with the overnight algos right here. This one right here caught a slight move to the upside, but absolutely nailed the downside all the way to the bottom, filtered out this little noise candle right here, and boom, got you out at 16.15 right there with a monster winner to the downside too. Now, on the ES was also very interesting. The ES was a winner both on the up and on the downside as well. And this one right here, performance-wise, yeah, 100%. Two trades, $6,600 had you taken both sides of the trade right there. Now, on the Fibonacci retracement, this specific strategy also performed very good. This strategy performed at around 75% accuracy with 100% of the trades being accurate to the downside. So I fixed the Fibonacci's right here because they were kind of messed up a little bit during the trading session because the market just completely ran down and blew across a lot of these levels, and I had failed to adjust it the night before, but it's now adjusted to reflect the correct levels of where it should have been today. So if you guys liked what you saw, please tune in Monday through Friday, 12:30 Eastern time to 3:30 in the afternoon, and you can watch these algos trade live for yourself.